Want to create 30 YouTube shorts in just 1 hour? Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step workflow using AI tools that will save you tons of time and let you focus on growing your channel. Let's dive in. Step 1. Choose your content source. First, decide what your shorts will be about. You can use trending topics, blog posts, scripts you already have, or even your own ideas. The key is having the content ready to feed into the AI. Step 2. Use an AI script generator. Next, use an AI tool like ChatGPT to create short, punchy scripts for your videos. Simply give the AI your topic and ask it to create multiple 15 to 60-second scripts. Aim for 30 scripts for 30 shorts. Step 3. Generate AI voiceovers. Once your scripts are ready, it's time to add voiceovers. Tools like Murf.ai, Play.ht, or 11 Labs can turn your text into professional-sounding voices instantly. Pick a voice that fits your brand. Step 4. Create the video clips. Now, bring your shorts to life. Use AI video creation tools like Pictory.ai, Runway, or MakeReels.ai. Upload your scripts or voiceovers, and let the AI generate visuals automatically. You can add stock footage, animations, or AI-generated backgrounds for variety. Step 5. Add captions and branding. Shorts need captions. Most AI tools can automatically generate captions. Don't forget to include your logo, channel name, or a watermark to reinforce your brand. Step 6. Export and organize. Once your 30 shorts are ready, export them in the right format for YouTube. Organize them in folders so you can upload them quickly and schedule them for the week or month ahead. Call to action, and there you have it. 30 YouTube shorts in just 1 hour using AI. Want to see this workflow in action? Check out the next slide for the exact tools and templates I use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss AI growth hacks like this.
Open your browser and search for AutoMeta, Automation for Meta AI, from the Chrome extension. Go ahead and add the extension to Chrome. In this example, it's already installed, which is why you're seeing the Remove from Chrome option. Click on the icon, then select Automate Video and Image. You'll see a message that says, "This tool only works with Meta AI." This simply means you need a Facebook account to sign in. Pick your Facebook or Instagram account to sign in. Then you can paste your prompt or upload the file here. But in this case, we have bulk prompts to be uploaded. Generate with ChatGPT and instruct to create in a downloadable .txt file. Download the txt file and save to your device. Upload the downloaded file or copy and paste in this black box here. Click the Start button to start generating your videos. Note that the video will start automatic download to your device as the videos are generating.
copy the voiceover that was created by ChatGPT. Go to Canva, click on the plus sign to create new templates.
Click on YouTube Shorts, then click on Upload, and then Upload File. After uploading the file, begin to paste them one after the order. Select AI Voice at the left-hand corner to generate voiceover. Paste the voiceover that we copied from ChatGPT. Choose an AI voice of your choice and wait for it to generate. After which it has been generated, it will automatically be added to the video. Ask ChatGPT to create a song you think that will best fit your video. You can also tell ChatGPT the minutes of song you want. Copy the prompt that was generated by ChatGPT, take it to Word, and edit it.
Go to Signify. At the left-hand corner, you will see AI Song Generator. Click on it and then paste the copied prompt from Word there. Download the song that was generated, take it to Canva, upload it, and then add it to the video. Add watermarks to the video to spice it up. The last but not the least, add a heading. For example, I will be using Flourishing Kids as my heading, and then add your logo.